Hi, I'm Jeremiah Gojmerac, a pre-owned sales manager here at Audi Kitchener Waterloo. Purchasing a pre-owned vehicle is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. By spending some time here with you today, we hope to provide you with some clarity and ensure your best buying experience. Let's take some time to discuss the Audi Certified Pre-Owned program and its warranty benefits. Understanding your vehicle's warranties is important. This video will provide you with clarity on your Audi Certified Plus limited warranty. When you purchase one of our certified pre-owned Audis, you can elect to receive a Certified Plus limited warranty. This warranty initializes as your new vehicle warranty expires. Your new vehicle limited warranty expires when your vehicle reaches 80,000 kilometers or 4 years since the date of purchase, whichever comes first. Your Certified Plus limited warranty provides coverage for a period of up to 5 years and/or up to 100,000 kilometers, whichever occurs first. You also have the option to extend your warranty coverage up to 6 years or 160,000 kilometers at a fraction of the normal extended warranty cost. It should be noted, this must be purchased before picking up your vehicle. Although the two warranties appear similar, they should not be confused as your Certified Plus limited warranty provides a different level of coverage than your new vehicle warranty. For a comprehensive list of what is and what is not included in your Certified Plus limited warranty, please refer to your warranty booklet or ask an Audi brand specialist here at Audi Kitchener Waterloo. Repairs should always be booked at an Audi certified dealership, but in case of an emergency, you may have it serviced at an unaccredited shop. If the repair is performed correctly, your warranty will reimburse you for that cost. All certified pre-owned warranty repairs require a $50 service fee. When servicing at a certified Audi dealership, you will not need to fill out any claim forms. Our service professionals will handle the repair and the claim with an experience similar to your new vehicle warranty claims. For any additional warranty information, please call us here at Audi Kitchener Waterloo.